Good day, guys, and on this lesson we are going to create our very own traditional stove. It is called a chulha or a fireside and also known as a dirt oven. A chulha was traditionally used by our ancestors to prepare meals. This is what they use instead of using an oven like what we do. This was their way of preparing delicious meals. A chulha is a U-shaped structure about 10 inches high and about 12 inches wide. So Auntie Michaela, she just rotated the picture, and that way you will have a proper representation of how the U shape looks. So remember, your chulha, also known as a fireside or dirt oven, is a U-shaped. A chulha is fueled by wood or charcoal for cooking. By the term fuel, it simply means it supplies power to the chulha. And I could break it down even simply by saying it just causes the fire to burn more intensely. Look at the picture below and you will notice that there is wood. So you can use wood or charcoal to fuel your chulha. Now you're wondering, what can I make in my chulha? Simple. You can make some bread. You could also start up some curry or stew chicken. You could also make pizza. And you could roast various types of meat. Main things that I use to create your chulha are clay or mud or a combination of dirt and water, but mostly clay and water. In this video, I'm showing you a live demonstration of an example of how it is created. This is an example and not the exact way. After you created that U shape, you're going to add 3 points and indentations to your chulha. You're going to make sure that it has little indentations sliding down and smoothing out on each side. So that's my first point. Here is my second point. And here's the third point. These points are important because it's going to give your pot stability. Continue to smooth it out by using either your fingers, your hand, or any tools you have available. Next, you could clean around the edges to take away the extra mud and set aside to dry. This picture is a live example of how a real chulha looks. How to use your chulha: you simply add some sticks or charcoal to the center of the base. Then you're going to fuel it up and add your pot on top. So you could also use a mud oven which is dome shaped, and what we created today is called the chulha, and this is U-shaped. And as always, please subscribe and thumbs up if you like more content. Bye!